Namaste everyone, welcome again to the class. Now here we will see exercise 3.2. In the last lecture we have seen trigonometric ratios using unit circle method. Now here the first problem is find the value of other 5 trigonometric functions for question 1 to 5. So first question is in front of you, it is cos x is minus half and x is in the third quadrant. As the value of cos is negative, okay, when cos is negative, it could be, angle could be either in second quadrant because the x-axis is negative in second quadrant or in third quadrant. So here they have mentioned that my angle is in third quadrant. Cos x is minus half. So to get the other trigonometric ratios, we are going to use trigonometric identities which we have learned in previous class. What are those trigonometric identities? One trigonometric identity is sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So as cos x is given, I will use that identity. I say that we know what we know. We know sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So therefore, or this implies sin square x plus, what is the value of cos x here? It is minus 1 by 2. So plus minus 1 by 2 square is equals to 1. This implies sin square x is equals to 1 minus 1 by 2 the whole square. So this is 1 minus 1 by 4. It is equals to minus 3 by 4. So the sin square x is 3 by 4. This implies sin x as plus or minus root 3 by 2. Okay, the value of sin x is plus or minus root 3 by 2. Now since x is in third quadrant, the value of sin x will be negative. So since x is in third quadrant, we have sin x is minus root 3 by 2. So now we have the value of cos x, we have the value of sin x. Now I can find the value of tan x. So tan x is sin x upon cos x, which is minus root 3 by 2 divided by minus 1 divided by 2. Cos x is minus 1 divided by 2. So this minus minus will cancel and I have root 3. This is tan x. Then for cot x, I will say that it is 1 upon tan x, reciprocal of tan x. So this is 1 upon root 3. Then we have sin, cos, tan, cot, sec x. Sec x is 1 upon cos x. So cos x is minus 1 upon 2, sec x is minus 2. And finally we have cosec x. So cosec x is reciprocal of sin x. So this will be minus 2 upon root 3, as sin x is root 3 divided by 2. So this is how we can get other trigonometric ratios. Isn't it simple? Right. So let me solve one or two more problems and then you can solve other problems by yourself. Okay, so what I have taken one example of sin, cos. You can solve for sin. I will take another cot x is 3 by 4 and x lies in the third quadrant. So cot x, third question I am trying. Third problem is cot x is equals to 3 upon 4. Now the trigonometric identity related with cot x is 1 upon cot square x is equals to cosec square x, right? 1 plus tan square x is sec square x and 1 plus cot square x is equals to cosec square x. So we have identity 1 plus cot square x is equals to cosec square x. So therefore from this I will say that 1 plus 3 divided by 4 square is equals to cosec square. So this implies 1 plus 3 3 is 9, 4 4 is 16, is equals to cosec square. So cosec square x. So this implies 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 divided by 16 is equals to cosec square x. So this implies that cosec x is equals to plus or minus 5 upon 4. So cosec x is plus or minus 5 upon 4. Now as angle is in third quadrant, so since x is in third quadrant, as x is in third quadrant, we have cosec x is equals to minus 5 upon 4. So we got the value of cosec x, we have the value of cot x. Now from cosec, first I will get the value of sin x, because it is always easy to find other ratios when we know sin or cos. So from cosec I will say that sin x, this is 1 upon cosec x, so this is minus 4 upon 5. Also cot x is, I know the value of cot x, and cot x is cos x upon sin x, cos x upon sin x. So therefore I have this cos x as cot x into sin x. Now the value of cot x given is 3 by 4 and the value of sin x is minus 4 by 5. So it is 3 divided by 4 into minus 4 divided by 5. I will get minus 3 divided by 5. This is the value of cos x. So now we have sin cos, we have cot. So from cot I can find the value of tan x. So I will say that tan x is equals to 1 upon cot x is equals to, I will reciprocate this 3 by 4. So I will get 4 by 3. The cot x, tan x is 4 by 3. So sin cos, tan cot, cosec we know. What is value of sec now? Sec x is 1 upon cos x and the value of cos x is minus 3 by 5. So it will be minus 5 divided by 3. This is the value for sec x. So sin cos, tan cot, sec cosec, everything we know. Okay. One final problem I will discuss. Sec x is 13 upon 5 and x lies in the fourth quadrant. So sec x, better you solve this problem yourself now, and then you can cross verify your answers. Here we have sec x is 13 upon 5 and I say that we know 1 plus tan square x, 1 plus tan square x is equals to sec square x. So 1 plus tan square x I don't know, this implies 1 plus tan square x is equals to 13 divided by 5 square. So this is 169 divided by 25. This is 1 plus tan square x. So this gives me the value of tan square x as, so tan square x is 169 upon 25 minus 1. It will be 144 upon 25. This is tan square x. So this implies tan x is equals to plus or minus 12 divided by 5. Okay. So tan x is plus or minus 12 divided by 5. We got the value of tan x. Now x lies in the fourth quadrant. So here since x is in fourth quadrant. Now in fourth quadrant the value of x positive, y negative, so their ratio will be negative. So I have tan x is equals to minus 12 upon 5. So now I have the value of sec, I have the value of tan. I can find the value of cos. Cos x is 1 upon sec x is equals to, now the value of sec x is 13 upon 5, so it is 5 upon 13. This is cos x. We have tan x is equals to sin x upon cos x. So from here we can get the value of sin x as tan x into cos x. This is okay, let me cut it. It is tan x into cos x. So I will get the value of tan x, we got minus 12 upon 5, minus 12 upon 5 into the value of cos x, we got 5 upon 13. So this 5 will cancel, and I have minus 12 divided by 13 as the value of sin x. So I have sin, cos, sec, tan. I can get the value of cot x. So cot x is 1 upon tan x. Tan x we got minus 12 upon 5, so it is minus 5 upon 12. And finally we will find the value of we have got tan, we have got cosec x. Okay, remaining is cosec. So cosec x is 1 upon sin x. So what is the value of sin x? It is minus 12 upon 13. So cosec x we will get minus 13 divided by 12. And this is cosec x. Simple? Okay. So I have solved 3 problems, and 3 problems I left you to solve because they are simple. Only you have to use identity and you will get the answers. Now let us see 6th question. Here we have to find a trigonometric ratio. Okay, only one we have to find, sine 765 degree. So 6th question is sine of 765 degree. Okay, sine of 765 degree. Now what here we are going to do is that we will write this 765 in terms of 360 degree. Okay, so let us express these angles in terms of 360 degree. So for that we divide this 765 by 360. So here in rough you can divide this 765 with 360. So when you divide with 360, 360 2s are 720. Here we have 5, here we have 4, 45. So I can say that this is equals to sine of 2 into 360 plus 45 degree. Why we have done like this? Because this 360 degree represents a complete circle, and we have seen that after after a complete circle the values are repeating, right? So we can eliminate this 2 into 360. Okay, so here this will be equals to sine of 45. So this is so simple. Now sine 45 value we know, it is 1 upon root 2. Okay, you have to know all the standard angles trigonometric functions what we have seen in 10th standard. So if you forgot, then again go to your 10th standard book, or it is given in 11th standard textbook also, learn it. Okay, now 7th question is cosec minus 1410. 7th problem, we have cosec of minus 1410 degree. So for sine minus theta we have seen that it is equals to sine theta minus sine theta. So similarly cosec minus theta will be minus cosec theta, that is 1410 degree. Now here again we will divide this 1410 by 360. So if I say 360 into 3, I will get 0, 3 6 are 18, 3 3 are 9, 1 10, I will get 1080. And if I say 360 into 4, I will get 0, 4 6 are 24, 2 4 3 are 12, 12 plus 2 14, 1440. Okay, so this 1410, it is, now this is very close, this number 1410 is very close to 1440. So here see what I am doing, I am writing this as minus cosec. Now here it is 1440, that is 4 into 360 minus, now this is minus 30 na? So as in 10th standard you learn trigonometric ratios between 0 and 90 degree. So try to get one angle in the range of 0 to 90. So here it is minus cosec 4 into 360 minus 30. So this 4 into 360, as this is a complete circle, we can eliminate, and here we will write it is minus cosec and minus 30 degree. Now again sin minus theta is minus sin theta. So here cosec minus theta is minus cosec theta, minus minus I will have plus sin, and I will get cosec 30 degree. Now sin 30 is 1 by 2, so cosec 30 will be 2. So 2 is your answer. Are you getting what I am doing? Okay. Now 8th problem is tan 19 pi divided by 3. 8th problem is tan 19 pi divided by 3. So here you can either convert this in terms of degree, means you replace pi by 180, or you can calculate this in terms of radian also. Now 3 6 are 18, right? So this you can write as tan 6 pi, which is multiple of 2 pi, 6 pi plus 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19, and here it is pi by 3. So this you will write tan of pi by 3. This 6 pi, it is multiple of 2 pi, that is complete circle. So 3 complete circles are there, we can eliminate, and I will write tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3, pi is 180, so 3 6 are, that means it is tan 60 degree. What is the value of tan 60? It is root 3. It will take time, but finally you will know that tan pi by 3 is root 3. As you know, pi by 3 is 60 degree. So for standard, all standard angles, the radian measure, okay, also you have to know. So a lot of things that you have to know. Now 9th question is sin minus 11 pi by 3. 9th question is sin of minus 11 pi divided by 3. So first I will write this as equal to minus of sin of 11 pi divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. Okay, so this is minus sin, it is 2 pi minus pi by 3. Okay, 4 pi, sorry, not 2 pi, it is 4 pi, na? 4 3s are 12, 4 pi. So the angle is in multiple of 2 pi. So this you can write as minus sin minus pi by 3. So again this minus minus you will get plus. So here your answer will be sin of pi by 3, and sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So your answer is root 3 by 2. And 10th question. So 10th question, better na, you try yourself. Okay, you will get confidence of how we get all these values, right? So 10th problem, here we have cot minus 15 pi by 4. So tan cot, okay, they are the ratios of sin and cos. Now as tan minus theta is minus tan theta. Here it is, you can say that this is cos minus 15 pi by 4 upon sin minus 15 pi by 4. For cos minus theta it is cos theta only, for sin minus theta it is minus sin theta. So this is minus cot 15 pi by 4. Now this you can write minus cot 4 4s are 16, that is 4 pi minus pi divided by 4. Okay, simple. So this is minus cot. Now I will not consider this angle, it is minus pi by 4, minus minus I will have plus, so it is cot pi by 4, and the value of cot pi by 4 is 1. Cot pi by 4, cot 45 degree, the value of cot 45 degree is 1. So we got the value of cot of minus 15 pi by 4. So here in this exercise we have these two kind of problems. One is find the other trigonometric ratios, and second find the values of these different angles. Yes, so thank you for being with me in this class. Okay, I will see you in next lecture with few more concepts. Thank you.